Good morning. Hi, everyone. It's Friday. It's Friday today. How are you guys doing? Do you have a green week or wet week? I'm sleepy. I'm good. I'm good. Best school meet ever. Oh, someone said best school meet ever. Congrats. We are now very close to all-time high. So this is the all-time high on the September chart, September contract chart, which is different from the continuous contract, which is here. So for the NQ1 is about 150 points to all-time high, and for this one, take a look. Woohoo. Well, pretty much the same, just 10-point difference. No, not even 10 points, isn't it? 2 points, just 2-point difference. Okay, then I'll just simply use this one as the standard, because not much difference for that. Don't you turn off this one? What? This one? You mean? I don't really look at this chart. Honestly, I don't really look at this chart. I just use it as reference. So, we're fucking bullish right now. You only trade off the anchor one, really? So, as yesterday, I talked about that on the stream that I assume this daily FUG will become a breakaway gap. That means price won't come back and strike to the all-time high. So if it's the case, then we are so bullish that I'm not gonna look for any reversal. Since my model, Total model, is kind of a counter trend model, as everyone knows. So I'm not gonna look for short anymore. Just see if we have any decent setup or retracement to look for a long position. So this one is the end up new day opening gap. And honestly, I don't think high time frame analysis is useful anymore at this time. I mean, we're so close to all time high. So we're currently inside a daily FUG, and if we pass through this daily FUG, of course we are so bullish in high time frame. So take a look to the fold. Bias for London session, 67% bullish, 17% bearish, and 16% I don't care. I personally voted I don't care because I mean all time high, when we close to all time high, is pretty much trending day every day. So um, it's not good for me because my model isn't used to training day. I have to change it. I have to change to other models. Right now, if I use terrestrial model, I'm commit suicide. How to use linear and copy trade on trading view. You gotta connect all your accounts on NinjaTrader first, and then use Replicanto. Replicanto is a trade copier that is not a monthly subscription thing. So when you bought it once, you can use it for a lifetime. You don't have to pay for it every month, or if you want to increase more accounts, you have to pay more. It's not like that. So just pay it once and use it lifetime. 好龍自養員 Hi. Yes, I have the link in the description box. You can take a look. And for the cloud-based Che copier, Che similar, something like that. If you're a MacBook user, that you can use Linear Shader on your Mac, then I think you can try that. You long right now? I mean, every day when I wake up, London session already have a move. Like normally, if we see a Asia range like that, we'll look for a short position and short to the Asia low, right? But like this week is not that case. We're so bullish. We're close to all time high. I'm not gonna look for short. I just want to see if I can retrace to a point that I think the risk reward ratio is like decent, that is acceptable for me to long. Because right now at this point, you can see we are like at the top of the range. It's like a breakout point. Can you use it even with different ports? Yes, yes. You can use it with all port form. With Shader A and Ninja Shader. If you use Project X, then it can link Project X. What time did you sleep? I sleep, I think 6 a.m. this for my local time today, so I'm like fucking tired right now. Because all those company, US company, like the customer support and their affiliate specialists, living US time, and all the conference call is gonna be in US time. And yesterday I gotta sleep so late is because of fucking cops that I would say that they just fucking shit. I mean I got invited to the new dashboard I think a few weeks ago, and so I have to use the new dashboard right now, and I can't. My current accounts won't show up in the old dashboard. But the problem is I can't log into the new dashboard directly. I have to when I log into the old dashboard, I have to start a new combine, and then at the end of the page there will be a button called chat out at new dashboard, and that's the only way I can log into the new dashboard. That is crazy. They got some system error and they can fix it. and I waited for a whole week for their support to reply for me, and they still can't resolve this problem. What's your bias today? I don't have a bias today. I mean, if I want to long here, then my stop loss gotta be under this order block, right? And then I'll use this high at a TP pawn by security, but it's like trend pawn, and then like around 12 pawn stop loss if I long here. I mean, why not? Let's do that. Maybe I got enough things to do with the price right now. So around 10 pawn stop loss. I mean, right now I can only get in long, but the risk reward ratios isn't good, and the stop loss pawns isn't the best because it's like in the middle of the range. Because I already talked about that. I don't like to get in a position in the middle of the range. I want to get in it like at the low or at the high. Right now it's like it's kind of like a forced trade, but wherever. It's 10 pawn stop loss, so it's acceptable. So, and guys, we day traders have 90% off right now for their trailing accounts. And today at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, for the strict to funded instant funding account, they will have a 40% off. Start at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So if you want to use strict to funded, because they only have 500 spots for the 40% off. So if you want to buy the strict to funded account at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, you get to log in and buy that. But if you want, buy some more affordable accounts, use the 90% off to buy trailing accounts. I'm now using 5 trailing accounts from day traders. It's not the usual model I trade, obviously, because it's a breakout strategy. It's a breakout model. But right now, I'm not gonna trade reversal. The strict to fund accounts are 40%. Oh no, strict to fund accounts from Tradify is now 35% off. But the S2F accounts on day traders are 40% off at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And also sometimes people will ask like, should I use Tradify or Apex or day traders or take profit trader or top step? You don't have to choose, right? I'm using all of them. So that's not a thing that, oh, is A better than B, so I shouldn't use C. No, I just use all of them. So I can, because I copy trade, right? I can leverage my capital with all those platform accounts. Because yesterday on the stream I didn't take any trades. Because like for my model, if I really want to change my model, I should look for short for yesterday learning session. But obviously we are so bullish, I can't take any short position. The price action literally telling me don't short. You know, the candle speed. I mean, when the candle break from the low to the buy side liquidity, you can see the speed. They are moving with speed with displacement. It's literally telling you don't short. So I didn't take any trade on yesterday's stream. So that's what I'm expecting. If I want to do something like yesterday, there won't be any setup for me if I really want to short. And once again, I have to say, this is not a decent entry point, okay? But since I mean, I just start the stream at 2, so that's the only way I can take a trade. I mean, normally you shouldn't take a long here. I will take around here maybe. This one looks good, right? We got a IFVG here. We got a end dog here. We can use the end dots as a support. So this area should be the most ideal entry point for my model. But obviously, like I'm sleeping at that time. Do you copy share across multiple platform accounts? Is that possible? Yes, but I suggest if you want to copy share, because like every different platform had their own rules, so it's so easy to mix them up. So you gotta understand. For example, for me, I'll only copy trade Tradify and Apex together because they got like similar consistency rule and other payout rules. So I'll copy trade them together. Then for the pre-NY and New York session, I will trade other platforms. So I copy trade the accounts in the same platform, but I don't really buy them all together. Like for example, right now I didn't copy trade with TPT because I want to save it to trade the New York session. Why are you every time? Why are you just wish me luck and then live every time like that? Just stay with us. Come on, it's Friday. Let's have some fun together. How come you don't use Discord to stream? I just streamed inside Discord yesterday in the lab. It's retracing right now, isn't it? I can see it with the 15-second shot. Here we got some trend line liquidity, so price may come. Okay, let me see. That was the. I really don't like this entry point though. Wherever. What account size you usually buy? 50K. I usually buy 50K. Because you gotta understand, there's gonna be some times you're gonna blow up your account. It's probably not your fault. Maybe the market condition is too volatile. Maybe the spread, or maybe it's just some trade copier issue. But of course, sometimes it's because of you. You're over trading or revenge trading, whatever reason it is. You're gonna blow up some accounts one day, but it's okay. It's okay as long as your payout is like larger. The amount of your payout is larger, a lot larger than the cost of buying prop firms. Then you're profitable. You're consistently profitable. Okay, because for me, my payout is like the amount of my payout is a lot larger than the cost. So for me to reduce the cost, I use the smaller account so I can maximize my profit. Yes, they traded 40% off for strict to funder accounts at 9 a.m. Eastern Time today. There will only be 500 spots, so it depends on how many people gonna buy that. And if you want a cheaper one, you can buy the trailing account with 90% off discount, which I'm currently using. Okay, right now let me take a look to ES. ES is what? Okay, ES daily FVG codes. Yeah, it's close to that. I'll take a look. So that's the end of the daily FVG on ES. I mean, honestly, this trade don't matter. You know, it's kind of like just a demonstrating a trade idea for you. I mean, even even if I win this trade, it's like $850. I mean, like it's not even 1,000. So I'm just demonstrating a trade idea, and even if it's a loss, how much is it? $400, $430. Why I put TP at that point? Well, first for the September contract is a daily buy side equity for February, and for the NQ1 is also a buy side equity for this candle, which also February. So I think it's kind of reasonable. And for any of the Asian traders that already start trading during Asia session, congratulations, because you guys got the best entry point for this move. And this entry point is like, I'm just be honest, I normally won't entry at this point. So it's around 4 minutes to 3:30, and we will see what's gonna happen at 3:30. Okay, I can see the call. Can I chase? Don't chase. Don't chase. I mean, like, I'm already like chasing the prize, literally. But I don't want to trade counter trend today. So even if this trade is a loss, like for example, trade price sweep this sell security, I will still look for another long. Or if price like here this liquidity is probably a good retrace move for us to enter again. I think I heard you tapping in. Sorry, I'm a fake Asian. I'm not good at math. I tried that, but I can't. There's some error when I install the indicator. I don't know why. I'll try that again. Because people don't like to just watch this chat, the trading view chat. They like to see something, some chase, ongoing chase, showing up here. That's why I do this. Try to show something you want to see. So slow. I shouldn't get in this chase. What am I doing? Whatever, it's a Friday. You're gonna have some fun, right? If we just take reading, it's gonna be so boring. And I don't want to be so boring on Friday. That's gonna ruin my weekend vibes. It's big breakout trade work. Actually, when I first started trading, I learned breakout strategy. I use it from Mark Minervini, his VCP trading model, and I also bought his course and his subscription service. I tried them all. I'm that kind of people that like buying all the courses. So I I literally buy everyone. I literally bought from everyone, including those fool scammers. Because there's only one way to find out if that guy, that trader, or that female trader is good or not, is to is to buy the course, isn't it? So I spent so much money on that. Which mentor course was most helpful? Oh, come on. Seriously? Of course ICT. Of course ICT's course the most helpful. VCP, then you bought JLaw course. JLaw's course is like the the Cantonese version of Mark Minervini's course. It's It's exactly the same. It's fucking exactly it's because I bought them all. I bought both of them, so I know. And if there's like the original offer out there, why would I buy them something? Someone just don't even willing to show their face. I just really think those who not willing to show their face to the public are just scammers. I mean, I know I'm not turning on the camera right now. I know that, but you still know how I look, right? If you really want to find me, you can literally find me with those photos. But you know, the most successful mentors, financial mentor in Hong Kong are all like not didn't show their face. I just don't understand. 工程啊，仲有邊個？柴犬嗰個啦。Okay, it's going up right now. Should I move my stop loss? Guys, tell me, what's your thought about moving stop loss? Should I adjust it like 5 points or should I push it to break even? I will let you guys decide. I'll let you guys decide. Should I? How am I gonna trade this trade? I will let you guys decide. After all, it's $300, isn't it? You would go BE, okay, bro said I would go BE. Oh, people's really? You really like break even? Seriously? Come on. Oh, all right. That was a surprise. So it seems like I'm the reckless one. That was a surprise. Okay, I'll listen to you. I'll listen to all of you. I'm gonna go back 3. So this is 3 because 1 point above the entry points to cover all the commission and things like that. Well, that was a surprise. So I'm too risky, am I? I don't really like go to break even so often because it's not my model. Oh, you guys are right. Okay, we're going up. Okay, because of the chat, because of our chat, this trade is now a risk-free trade. Okay, so I'm not gonna lose anything here. Oh, you're still here. Come on. That's great. I thought you go to sleep. Have you tried the newer firms like funding text? Nope. It's too new. I mean, for example, like day traders, I've been watching them for half year. They launched their platform in January, but they only have Rhythmic at that time, so they don't have Traderway or Project X. That's why I was just watching, observing, and now it's June, right? 6 months after they got Project X platform. That's why I want to try it. Because like after 6 months, um, they've been working good and they got a new platform that I like. That's why I use them. I won't try some like new platform that come out from nowhere. Full pot? You want me to full pot? You want me to add some contract? No. Oh, scammer, those Hong Kong channels showing the face. Is Project X that good? The feels from Project X isn't good. I mean, sometimes, for example, like here is my like 40, right? My TP is 40, but in Project X, sometimes even when the candle touch 40, touch this line, they still can't close the position. So the feels sucks, but the interface, the function, everything is good. Could be more funny full port. I try to use a standard contract size right now because I'm copy shading, so I don't want to be too dynamic on the position size. I will be that when I'm trading only one account. Then I will try to trade more contracts. Okay, so 4 pawns to the TP. Is it gonna still going up like more? Yeah, yes, it's possible. But since my entry point isn't ideal, right? I'm like literally trading breakout right now, which is the opposite of my model because my model is trading false breakout. Right now I'm trading breakout. So I was just saying, small scalping is enough for that. You call it that in that found is a W. I tried so many times that it's like one tick or 1 pawn to my TP and then we chase back to my break even or even my stop loss. I tried that so many times. Because I'm just so particular, I'm so demanding for the exact level. I don't want to close 1 pawn earlier. I just don't like it. And right now I'm trading the Tradify account, Funder account. I'm using advanced account. But you can try the strict to funded and the growth account with end of day drawdown. They are doing a 35% off discount until the end of the month. Okay, so retracing. See? Retracing. It's retracing. You don't take partials. Sometimes I talk, but like seriously, it's like even I get full TP is $800. I just if I TP or close the trade right now, it's $500. I just let them go. If today I'm holding position like 5,000, will I close the position right now or will I like cut some off? Yes, I will. I will. If I'm in a large position and large floating profit, I will. You will let the market have 2 points. Yeah, I think I should change my mindset for that. It's hard. Guys, hit the like button. Hit the like button for the trade. For willing to take this trade even in the middle of the range. This level is a daily buy side for both the September contract and the NQ1. That's why I put it there. Will you be live on Monday? I mean, the weekend not even start. Don't ask me about Monday. I want to think about work. So 3 points, 3 points to. So this week was 30 line. So it was 1 point to our TP. That's crazy. Do you trade on 1 minute? Yes. I'm actually looking at the 15-second chart on my screen, which I always do when I want to like observe the price session, how the candle move. So you working too? What do you mean? I'm working for you right now. Can you see that? Next Friday is holiday, really? What holiday is that? Okay! We close it. W in the chat. We need W. Okay, small scalping is still win. A win is a win. And I copy trade it with 5 accounts. So let's just see. Wait. Okay. Here. Can you see that? No? Okay. So I got 5 advanced account and also 5 for backup. It's already passed. It's a past evaluation, but I just left it there for backup. If someday I don't know, I go crazy and blow up some accounts, that will blow up. I only copy trade 35 today, so it's 5 account around. How much? We need a professional mathematic Asian here to calculate it for me. How much is that? How much is these 5 accounts? So, congrats for anyone who took the trade. Who took the trade with me? Who took it? 4K. Thank you, Chad. You guys really calculate for so thank you. Appreciate that. It's 4,000. Okay, that's good. That's not bad, right? Who took the trade? You can sleep now. Don't sleep. It's not even 3 a.m. Eastern time. So right now we're gonna see if price continue going up. We see how price react with a closer look with 1 minute time frame. What's your account size? It's 50K. All of them are 50K accounts. Do you need to trade 35 accounts every week? I think so. But why? If you don't trade, why are you buying that? Right now you only need 7 trading days to request a payout, so you can get a payout every 7 days from them. Any discount for joining the lab? Of course, you can use code Candy for 10% off. And if you buy the quarterly or annual package, there will be more discount for that. I think it just depends on you, because if you use the 150K account, you will have more buffer when it started. Then if you are those who trade with larger stop loss, then I mean, if your model require a larger stop loss, then maybe you should try those 150K account. But for me, I normally use tight stop loss, so 50K for me is okay, totally fine with that. Guys, we only got 15 likes. Not enough. We get a W today. You know, we should hit the like button for the win. At least not for me, but for the win. For your profit. I mean, I took this trade in the middle of the range. I think I'm kind of crazy right now. But just once again, I have to take a long at this point. I mean, it would be stupid if I try to short, or I can just like wait for nothing. If I want to wait for price to retrace, I probably get nothing. That's what I got yesterday. So, do you guys have any question for anything? Because I think I will only take one trade for. I think if there's something special happen, maybe I'm gonna take another. I'll see. But I'm not like very keen on doing another trade. Do you trade 1 minute chart or 5 minute? I trade 15 seconds. No, I actually use all of the chart. I mean, I don't look at only one time frame. I'll look at 1 minute, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 minute. I'll use that more. And even ICT's son is using 15 seconds chart to trade his model. So uh, do you usually stream at this time? Yes. Usually stop the stream at 2 a.m. Eastern time. Would you suggest Tradeify or Take Profit Trader? I suggest both of them. But like for honestly, if you're a profitable trader, you should try TPT, Take Profit Trader. Because you can have daily payout from them. You don't have to like trade 7 trading days. I can literally, for example, I make 4,000 today, right? With those accounts. If I'm trading Take Profit Trader, I can take those out tomorrow. And tomorrow those profit will be in my bank account. But like for me, I'm using all of them. And right now, Take Profit Trader got a low activation free promotion, and also they are 30% off for all evaluation account. And I think it's probably gonna end um and until 30 of June. Jerry here. The MNQ level is different from NQ, so I usually only use, even when I'm training MNQ, I only use NQ chart for key levels for TP points. So when I want to take this trade, we're literally, you can see this 5 minutes order block, right? That's so clear, price retrace and create an order block. So that's over me saver stop loss. So I can just literally put it under the order block. But if it didn't show up, like for example, we're here, then it's like too far away from the ideal stop loss for me. But here is, I think it's okay for that. And stop loss is like the acceptable range for me is 10 points, right? And I usually use 12 points. So it's kind of a 1 to 2 trade. The risk reward ratio is like a bit lower. I don't like 1 to 2. I want more, but it's acceptable. And I show a 8 hour trade card on my Twitter one day, right? And some people think it's a demo trade. It's not a demo trade. It's a real trade. But I always said to get a high RR, you're gonna have low win rate, right? That's what I chose. I chose low win rate, high RR. And for, I think most of the traders, they would prefer higher win rate because losing trades gonna beat you up. You lose confidence and you probably become revenge trading, and it hurts your mental capital. So people's gonna prefer higher win rate but lower RR. It's February, high of February, 19th February. Are you American? Because American didn't put the month in middle. No, Take Profit Trader only got um the classic eval. They don't have straight to fund. So I think it's a good point for me to TP because price seems to stall after this point. So maybe it's gonna consolidate a little bit and then keep going up. You know, every time when I close my position, there's gonna be a bunch of people leaving the stream. Like after I win that trade, 30 people close the stream. That's crazy. That's why I have to force myself to trade on the screen. You guys understand that? You still here? Yeah, the chat is the best. We'll see if it's retrace. It's your 30 accounts? You have 30 YouTube accounts? We're here to learn, not copy Che. You're right. You're right. But I think almost everyone try the stage that you want to copy Che from others, right? I've been there too. I bought Signal service. I even bought Signal service before, and of course, it's not working. It's not working. It's not gonna work because I tried that with my own money. Because they know you probably will not change second time. Yeah, well, that's true. That's true. If it's a loss, then I will try and I will try another chain. Because sometimes when I took a loss, it's only because I I'm putting my stop loss in the wrong level, or I trail the stop loss too soon. Sometimes it's like that. Or I'm the liquidity that price with me as a liquidity and then go up again. Sometimes like that. You came in the lab to copy Che, end up learning the model, and now take the chase on your own. Wow! Wow, that testimony is wonderful. But at the end of the day, you get good result, right? And that's enough. That's also one of the reasons that I would like to buy so many courses and join so many membership is because when you become successful, when you learn all of that, the profit you make is a lot more than the cost, the membership fee. Like for example, in the lab, if you don't use any discount, it's like $100 for a month, right? But if you took a winning trade, your winning trade is definitely more than $100, right? Even for me, that um with reward, that crazy breakout trade is 1 to 2, right? If I only trade with one contract, it's $400, and $400 is enough for 4 months membership fee. ICT saved you. ICT saved me too. Yeah, for real. And of course, the he got some problems with his personality, and people keep complaining about he's not willing to join the Robins Cup, or talking shit about him, like can Che real money. But both of us understand what is it, because we watch his live stream, we will watch his videos. You know that because a profitable trader and a non-profitable trader, their mindset are different, and the words come out from his mouth. You can feel that. You can literally feel that. Sometimes there's something you can't fake it. If you like, for example, for me, for before I start to trading, I work in so many industry that most of them I have to communicate with different kinds of people. So I'm quite good at how to read people. When I listen to some words from them, or even for facial expression, I can literally understand what kind of person are they. And if you are someone who need to communicate with different people all the time, you will know it too. Wow, many times now you took a trade in London session and later see that King has taken the same trade. Oh, that's really the best scenario. So you are literally doing copy trading, but without seeing the signal. You are now the group trading with the leader of group trading, because you are the one who make the decision if you take the trade or not. So, oh, we chase a bit. I really want to see if we gonna have to all-time high today. Maybe it's gonna happen during the weekend. So when we open the chat on Monday, it's gap up and over and past the all-time high. Probably like that. Do you guys want more giveaway in the future? I'm just curious because when it's a giveaway stream, then I will spend less time on like trading or education or anything like that. It's gonna be like more like an entertainment stream if it's a giveaway stream. But you guys can have a chance to win your account. How come? Where are you guys come from? I'm just curious because when I look at the data, I see like most the top one of the audience are come from United States, which is weird because it's like 2 a.m. up there. So I was assuming more like European or Asian traders. So just curious to know if the data is right or not. Where are you guys come from? Bahamas, Bulgaria, London, Singapore, China, Spain, Romania, France, Germany, Hong Kong. Okay, I finally see someone from Hong Kong after I don't 20 people. Malaysia, Switzerland, PH is Philippines, Chile, Dubai, California, Panama, Norway, USA, Disneyland. What? Holy Disneyland. Which Disneyland? Hong Kong, Spain, India. Where is that? Koloha? I'm not so sure. I'm sorry that. South Africa. Female trader. We got what? You're not female trader, curry fish bowl. Long Beach. Kowloon. Are you looking for reversal? Hmm. No. Yeah. I mean, I'm good. I say no. After I said no, price give me a bullish candle. That's great. That's great. Imagine if I say yes. Should we go long here? If your the risk reward ratio for you is good enough and the stop loss and you have a ideal level for your stop loss, I think you can try. King's model is continuation during London. You mean the lab model? Which one? Can you explain what price will you long NQ yesterday? You mean what? New York session? Let me take a look. Okay. You mean here? No, today. Yesterday London session, I didn't get in the trade because like it's just exactly the same like today, right? The price action is exactly the same, and I learned it. I have a lesson for that. Yesterday we got like Asian range price breakout, and for the model I trade, usually normally in normal price action, I will try to look for a short to the midnight opening price at least, at or the Asia low. But of course, yesterday price is so bullish. Like we got so many displacement here and also here. So when I see this candle, I decide to not short anymore, not to frame any short idea anymore. But I also missed the chance to take a long because it was just so premium at that time. I can make a decision to entry at that point right now. I mean, at that time, yeah. So I missed the trade idea, the trade opportunity, and it just looked exactly the same as today. I learned my lesson. I'm not looking for short anymore, so that's why I took a long today. And yesterday I didn't engage with the New York AM session because it's just too volatile at that time, and we get a large RTH gap. I just I feel like price gonna sweep this liquidity, but I don't know when. You know, I didn't catch anything yesterday. I know so many traders like got some winning trades, but I didn't catch it. I didn't catch anything. It's just the real life of a trader. Sometimes you're just gonna miss everything. When everyone is celebrating, you just can't do that. You miss that all. Sometimes it's just like that. So we can take a look right now. So we got a 1 minute BC here, and this is a here this 1 minute volume imbalance, 1 minute CB. Maybe I should just put it here. Your lab cut is 8 hours. Yes, it's true. It's the fact. But I didn't make much for that. It's just a $4,000 for that because I have a small stop loss, so that's why I got 8 hours. But almost everyone knows my stop loss is small, right? Usually 12 points to 15 or 18. So right now this one is the IFVG, valid IFVG. You love the tight stop loss style. I actually learned it from ICT. Okay, I didn't create it myself. ICT literally use a more tighter stop than me. So um, he even showed that on live stream. Okay, so I know it's possible. It's something possible. Of course, is sometimes if price too volatile, it's not gonna work. But like it is working most of the time. Can you explain your 8 hour trade? I think I explained it inside the lab. You want to short here? Do you live trade NY session? I didn't stream live NY session because so many people are streaming that. And even for inside the lab, we got sometimes 2 to 3 live streamer streaming NY AM session. So I don't think it's necessary for me to do one more stream for that. And I received some DM about wanting to see me live trade those $6,000 trade and $4,000 trade, but um, it's we don't really have some those chance during London session. Just be honest, because we price is not that volatile. You can see that. You literally see that with your own eyes. We're still in the same range, right, for the whole hour, and we got spread, and also we got less volume compared to New York session. So, for example, if I want to took a $6,000 trade, winning trade during London session, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard because that $6,000 trade is like it's 2 contract, 2 mini. I use 2 mini only for that, so it's hard for that to happen during London session. But I'm just literally using the same model and same analysis. So if you learn this, you can just use it on your own when you're trading New York session. I started trading London session, I think, in 2022 because when I was working full time job, then I can't trade London session because it's like afternoon. But in 2022, I quit my full time job and started trading full time, so I can trade London session. And actually, I was learn it. I learned it from a Hong Kong educator. Some people call him like scammer Iman. You know who is that? A YouTuber Iman. And of course, I bought his course too. And I think that guy trade CFD. That's why when I started trading, I trade stocks first, and then I shift to options, and then shift to forex and CFD. So you can see that price we chase after clear this buy side liquidity, daily buy side liquidity, we chase back to this 1 minute bullish FVG, and then shrink to this 1 minute CB. We chase back to another 1 minute BC, pass through it and make it a valid IFVG, and then clear this buy side liquidity. So that's how you frame the trade. But for me, because this is the risk reward ratio is low here, and also it's not a large range, right? If I enter here, it's like 10 points. That's why I'm not trading this. But imagine if this is a larger range, then you can just use the same method, same logic to enter the trade and TP. Do you buy the doggy Hong Kong course? You mean who? Who is that? Price finally gives you a pullback too long. I saw some traders are shorting, isn't it? I saw someone typing in the chat that he's short. It's February. It's February. Everyone asks me what is 2.19. It's February 19th of February. It's kind of like a Cantonese way to say that. You say the month and then you say the day. So it's February 19th. Chai Hun? No. He's a well-known scammer. Long before I started trading, he's a well-known scammer. I know that. That's why I didn't bought his course. Woohoo! Keep going up. Keep going up. To the moon. Why are you shorting? We're so fucking bullish today. You take a look to the votes. It's 66% thinking it's bullish. You think we will get all time high today? Maybe, I don't know. What is your live session schedule? I post the stream schedule um in Discord. Actually, the stream schedule are helping me to arrange the live stream because like, but today I really don't want to live stream. Even like last night when I'm ready to sleep, I don't want to live stream. I'm so tired. But like, I marked it down on the schedule, so that means I have to. So, this bachelor critique is always gonna sweep at a time because it's like a kind of like a relative equal high. It's just one take, so it's gonna price gonna sweep this for sure. Just matter of time. We got high impact news tonight at 8:30. Okay, 8:30 a.m. p.m. Eastern time. Oh no, a.m. Eastern time. Do you prefer London session or New York session? It depends. I got higher win rate in London session, but like I can make more. Even I have lower win rate in New York session, I can make more profit for the long term. So that's why I don't make a choice. I just trade them both. I can choose both. I don't have to choose one. Are you done for the day or looking for further sell? Mm, I think I'll still take a look, but maybe not trading. But I'll still take a look on the chart first, see if I can see any decent setup. Do you have 2 days too? Yes, I have, of course. Do you borrow from the accounts to? Yes, I do. I until like I'm just over trading sometimes. And when I took a payout, like for example, like I got like 10,000 buffer, for example. If I took like 80% out, then I will only have 2,000 left in the account. That is when I very easy to get to on that day because I just took out most of the profit, so I want to make it bad, and I got less buffer than I was because I already used to have 10,000 profit, 10,000 buffer. I used to that. I get used to that, and then suddenly I gotta go back to 2,000 buffer. Sometimes it's hard for me to adjust it right at that time, and because of the payout, I want to make all the payout back once again. So the day after taking the payout is for me is the day when I get to. I would say that not every time, not every time, but that is the day. That is the day I'm really easy to get onto. So, but as long as you're making the ratio of your cost and the ratio between the cost and your payout is like good ratio, that is okay. I'll say. For someone as I know for JCap, he spent around he took a payout from Apex with 2.5 million, right? And he spent I think around 100k on those withdrawal. He brought up some evals and also some funding accounts and then try that again. So, but I mean, if you just hear the number 100k for buying port firm accounts, wow, that's a lot. But compared to the profit he made with that port firm, it's worth it, right? 2.5 million compared to 100k is still making a lot. So it is just the same. Of course, if you can lower the cost, if you don't blow up account very often, that's gonna be better. But we gotta understand prop firms have so many rules and the minimum trading day requirement, all these thing is they want us to lose. So sometimes it's not necessarily because we are suck at trading, it's because of the rules. I mean, if you're trading your own personal capital, you won't have intraday challenge drawdown, right? You don't have something like that. And you don't have to trade like every trading day in order to get a payout. Because sometimes you just want to stay sideline and you just don't in a mood of getting any trade. But because of the payout requirement, you have to take a trade. And that's when you blow up. Should I delete the sell button? Oh, Sam was long for 7 contracts. Surprise retracing right now. And honestly, for if you long here, you can only TP here because you don't know if price really gonna head up to here because like around 40 points. So the safest way to trade with this range is to TP here. And I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this because we're so bullish. I just don't think it's necessary for me to risk anything for a short for a counter trend. So I changed the thumbnail again, as some of you already noticed that. Because you guys don't like the old one. That's why I changed it. But I don't know if it is good. So that's why it's fault. It's never know if I should change it back to the original one. The yellow one. Yellow and orange one. Or use the current new thumbnail. Should we close the chat? We can tape read. We can tape read. Don't even look at the thumbnail. What? Oh, so you guys really like the original one, right? The previous one, right? This last time when I create a poll for the thumbnail, 70% like the new one, 30% like the old one. This time is 60% like the new one and 40% like the old one. So you want me to change it back? Do you want me to change it back? Okay, like the yellow and orange one looks chill. And I actually spent more time on making that thumbnail, that yellow one thumbnail. Yeah, sometimes I just want you to have some fresh experience. If you look at the same thumbnail, sometimes I mean maybe you're not boring, but I am. I'm just bored by those thumbnail. That's why sometimes I just want to change it a bit. Maybe I'm trying to content creating 101. Content creating is hard. I still don't know how to edit the videos. I don't know how to use CapCut. What kind of video editing software should I use? Like, please give me some suggestion for the easier one. I don't know. I don't even know how to use Photoshop. I use Canva. So I don't even know how to make reels. I'm asking AI how to make reels with CapCut. Just pay someone else. But I mean, I'm not like a large content creator. I think it's too soon to find someone else to do it for me. I think I should try it first, and I think I should at least understand how the framework, the basic things for that. And if I want to fine tune the whole thing, then that's the time when I should pay someone else to do that. Do you consider high time frame for direction? Yes, of course. I know I'm just showing the 1 minute chart, but when I'm trading, I just I put all those time frame here. Can you see that? Oh, I don't. I think you can't see that. I mean, let me. Okay, now you can see that. These are the time frame that I will use when I will check. I will literally just keep kicking this time frame when I'm trading. I think 2 minutes I don't use very often. Mostly For lower time frame, I'll use 15 seconds, 30, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15. And yeah, I put it all here is because I chat it very often, like every day, every 10 minutes or 5 minutes. You learn a lot by watching the stream. Appreciate that, for real. I mean, I do want to provide some value, whatever value is that, even if it's entertainment or education. Because when I trade London by myself, I always want to find some live streamers to watch because like it's just so boring, trading London session, and I find a few live streamers streaming London session, but there are a lot of ICT traders. But if I watch someone else trading other styles, other trading models, that gonna be so contradict with the model I'm trading, then it's not helping, right? It's messing up the whole thing. So I have to find someone who at least understand ICT concept and trading the same concept with me. Even not the same model. Maybe they're trading unicorn or other thing. But just be honest, I don't like watching stream those streamer who trade breaker. Because I personally don't use breaker, and if that live streamer trade with breaker, it's gonna mess up with my trade idea, my own thought. So I don't watch those live streamer. I only watch those inside the lab if they are someone who trade breakers. So we'll see if price hold. Maybe gonna wanna clear this. So if you want to trade this move, if you're someone who want to trade this move, for the model, it will be like here. This is a valid average, so you're probably gonna enter here, around here, because we need to wait for candle close. When the candle body close outside of the average is a valid average, so you probably enter here around, and then you will take some off here and here, and then the final TB will be here. And if you trade the 2022 model or silver bullet, you're gonna enter here because you're gonna enter here with the FVG. So it will be like 4 points lower if you don't use FVG. And your stop loss gonna be larger because your stop loss gonna be at least here above this order block. And it's hard for you to take partial if you enter with it here. Yeah, that's the case. You mentioned that you're chasing longs. Because I start the stream at London session. I mean, the range is already it's middle of the range. I have no choice. And I know price going up. So I have to enter that. I can wait like okay, that's wait for price to retrace back to Asia range and we can enter the long. Then that's too late. That was my approach yesterday on stream. It's not working. It's not working in current market condition. So that's why I changed the approach. We're trader. We got flexibility. We know it's not working for the current condition. We change it. Education material is coming soon. Guys, don't do that. Don't urge me to do that. I really hate writing essay, you know? The last time I write essay is like it's the time when I have to write a written statement to Apex to explain my trading plan. It was 1 year ago. And before that it was like when I'm working a full time job, or I don't know, I don't think I write any essay when I'm working full time job. It was like before I graduated from university. I hate writing essay. Yeah, you guys can take a look on GC or other asset. I don't trade that anymore. It didn't mean you can, right? You can definitely trade that. Take a look on GC. Okay. Mm-hmm. So 64% like the new thumbnail and 36% want the old one. Maybe I should just change it every day. Right? Sometimes I use the yellow one. Sometimes I use the first one. Is it better? Change it every day so you get something new, something fresh. Or price retracing. So this order block is working. It's doing its thing. thumbnail in Discord is too dark. Too dark? What do you mean? Really? You make us all tipsy. It's Friday. We gotta be tipsy. I'm ready to drink. It's my tablet. Sorry, it's a Samsung tablet. I'm looking for a new laptop right now. I'm currently using a Samsung Ultra Galaxy Book Ultra 3, Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra. I was waiting for 5, but they're not releasing the 5. And I don't want to use MacBook because I'm not familiar with the non-Windows system. Yes, yes, but we got some wars in Middle East, so I want to wait. I think a month, wait at least a month and see how it goes. Well, I'm not in a hurry, so I think I can wait. Mac is better. I understand that. And if I buy MacBook, I can have international warranty. So if there's something I need for maintenance, I can just head to the local Apple store. But for others laptop, they only offer the local warranty. So if I move to other countries, then I lose the warranty. I have to fly back to Hong Kong to get maintenance. That's also one thing that I'm gonna consider. Yeah, Ninja Trader does not work with Mac. And there's so many software does not work with Mac. And like I don't really use those like graphic design software or Photoshop or any other that really require a MacBook. And I got another tablet. I got a iPad Pro. So if I really want to do anything, I can just use the iPad Pro. I mean, I got two tablets. The currently the one I'm using right now is a Samsung Ultra S10. It's I don't know 16-inch. So when I'm trading, I got four monitor. The one is my 32-inch main monitor, and the second one is my laptop monitor, which is 16-inch, and also the iPad Pro as a monitor, and also a Samsung tablet as another monitor. Because I can use them separately. When I'm not using my laptop, my computer, I can use the tablet and iPad Pro independently. So that's why I don't want to buy those expanding monitor. Dell is international, but Dell, yeah, that's what my brother said too. My brother tell me to buy a Dell. You're trying to be like me when I go up. What do you mean? I'm not like a lot older than you. I think. Are you like free? Free? All right. So I think today's we got pretty much enough screen time for tape reading and also for Che. Um, if you took the Che, congratulations. If you took that with me, and if you took the second on too, that's a real good decision too. And I think we're still gonna be bullish for New York session. But if the bullish is gonna be like yesterday, like a bit choppy, like have retracement first. But the time frame analysis for me is still keeping bullish. And for the day traders promotion at 9 a.m. Eastern time, we got a 40% off for straight to funded account. So when you buy the straight to funded account, you don't have to pass any evaluation. You can just use it right away. And if you don't like the straight to funded accounts, you can try the trailing accounts, which is 90% off too right now. And for Tradify, we got 35% off until the end of the month for all accounts. And for anyone who want to join the lab and have the enjoy the trading community with all of us, and also we got back testing session during weekend. You can join the lab using code Candy with 10% off. And also I have created a trading IG, so I'm started to post more diverse content on IG. Gonna be different than what I post on Twitter. And appreciate everyone joining this stream today. Don't forget to hit the like button to support this channel and help this channel grow. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe and like. So I will stream more for next week. And also inside the lab. Thank you, chat. Really appreciate everyone who interact with me. See you next week. Okay, see you next week. Have a nice weekend. Touch some grass and have some drinks. That's important. See you.